what is a bird?
A bird is a animal that has wings and it and it's covered with feathers and it has a backbone and it's warm-blooded and lays eggs.
So, ano kinakain ng birds?
Some birds eat fish
Mm-hmm.
and frogs
Mm-hmm.
and snakes, insects,
Mm-hmm.
and also seeds.
Seeds, fruits, berries,
And fruits, berries,
worms, and...
worms, and
Okay, so how does a bird drink?
it bows down and gets some water, and then it puts up his chin, and so the water can go down and swallows it.
Okay, so what does it remind us of?
It reminds us to bow down in prayer and drink the water of life. Jesus.
No, Terry, tell me about the penguin. Where's the penguin? Open it. Open it. Okay. Now, what can you tell me about the penguin?
The penguin's feet are webbed and
They have
they have slippers.
slippers. So when the mama penguin lays eggs, who warms it?
The daddy penguin,
For how many days?
60 days.
What will the daddy penguin not do for 60 days?
Not eat.
He's not gonna eat. Well, the mama penguin is
Hunting for
hunting for
food.
food. So when the eggs hatch and the baby penguins are there, who's gonna take care of them?
The mommy penguin
So the daddy penguin can.
eat.
Right. So,
This is a pelican.
a pelican is.
So a pelican is also a water bird, and it has a bill, and it also has a pouch under the bill.
Yeah, it has a pouch under the bill. Okay, what does it eat?
Fish.
Yeah.
So this is a heron.
Okay, tell me about the heron.
So a heron is a water bird and a wading bird.
Really? Oh, they have
They have a
long bills
long bills
and
and
ano na?
and long legs that look like sticks.
Sticks. So how do they eat? Ito oh.
They walk slowly on the water
Or wade. Yeah.
and then they
When they find their fish or their food,
when they find their fish or their food, they will eat it right away.
okay. It says here, their neck is like a spring, and it gives extra strength and force when they get their food, their fish. Okay. Next we
This is a
have
roadrunner.
roadrunners live in.
Roadrunners live in the grassy land or the
Or
desert.
the desert. So roadrunners are really
So roadrunners are really fast.
fast. So, saan nila nakuha yung name nila? They use
And they used to run with the vehicle.
yeah. So they do like that to the vehicle, and then they go away.
And they go away to the bush.
Yeah.
So this is a kookaburra.
They live in
the forest and they and their calls look like and their call sounds like laughs.
So why do they do that? Why do they laugh?
So that they can tell that that's their territory.
Yeah, so they use that call, that kind of laughing sound, to mark their territories. Okay.
So this is a woodpecker. So it has tool beaks.
Tool-like beaks.
It has tool-like beaks, and it pecks on a tree so hard
Until
until it finds his food.
yeah, what are its food? Usually what?
Insects, worms, and ants.
Yeah, they also eat berries.
They also eat berries. This is a bowerbird.
And this is a
bower.
bower. So this is a male bowerbird. What does it do?
So this is a male bowerbird. It decorates the bower
With a lot of
with a lot of colorful things.
yeah.
So it can attract the female bowerbird.
Bowerbird. Yeah. And then what do they eat?
They eat
Fruits,
fruits,
insects,
insects,
seeds.
and seeds. Let's talk about bird feet.
Okay. So, what's this?
These are the types of webbed feet.
Webbed feet. And these are the
Duck.
what are these? These are birds
These are
that
the birds that have webbed.
right. Okay, so what's this?
A duck.
This one.
A swan.
Yeah. This.
A geese
Geese. These are geese. And then
and a gull.
yeah. Okay. So next we have okay, Carrie, what's this?
Eagle.
Yeah, it's an eagle. So can you tell me about its toes?
There's three at the front and one at the back.
Can you show? Where's the tree at the front? Where? Yeah, you point at it. Okay, next. What is this?
It's a parrot.
Okay. Tell me about its toes.
It has two
Point at it.
two pointing at the back at the front and two pointing at the back.
Okay, now this is
It's an ostrich.
an ostrich, and it has only what?
It has only two toes.
Two toes. Okay. That's it. Okay, smile.